Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jasmine. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jasmine Beatriz. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the tiny bell button right beside it so that you'll get notified every time I upload videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. It will be somewhere here on the screen and it will also be down below. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys my summer morning routine. Nagtataka kayo, Ate Jas, June na, pasukan na, but summer pa din yung mga videos mo. So, ako kasi, #Team August pa ako. So, yun. So, technically, summer pa rin sa akin. I still have 2 months left. So, yun. Summer pa din. Kaya huwag kayo magtanong-tanong dyan kung bakit, okay? So, yun. If you wanna see how I prepare in the morning, kung ano mga errands ko, ano mga something ko, just keep on watching. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So, ayan na nga. Ito nang simula ng ating morning. Sa summer, hindi ako nag-a-alarm para magising. Kahit naman sa school days. Kasi, morning person talaga ako. So, hinahayaan ko lang na magising talaga ako. Basta yung ano lang, para hindi masyadong mabigat sa damdamin na magising ka ng dahil sa alarm. Tapos, ayan, dadamputin ko na yung phone ko and masasaglit lang ako sa phone ko to reply, to chat, mga dapat i-chat and all that. Tapos, ibababa ko na rin agad yan. After that, I will make my bed. Hindi talaga ako nagiging productive kapag hindi ayos yung bed ko. So, yun, tip yun para sa inyo. Ayusin nyo yung bed nyo para mas ma-inspire kayo na feeling nyo kasi may nagawa na kayo kahit ang aga-aga pa, 'di ba? Tapos after nyan, I'll go ahead sa CR. So, kung gusto nyo ng in-depth na skincare routine sa morning, leave a comment down below. So, ayan. Hindi ko naman na masyadong i-in-depth to kasi, you know. Tapos, ayan, babalik ako sa kwarto ko. Tapos, yan, nasa desk ako. And I will pray. Sa phone ko, o-open ko yung app na Our Daily Bread. Tapos, everyday, may babasahin kang scripture. Actually, kasi may libro yan. But, nung January, out of stock na. Kasi, December pa lang daw. Talagang binibili na yon. So, ayun. Lesson learned. So, ayan na nga. Tapos, nagsusulat lang ako sa prayer journal ko ng mga damdamin. At mga prayers, of course. Tapos, magbabasa lang ako ng Bible. If you want, like, a routine dito, kasi meron naman akong routine na sinusunod. Ayun, let me know kung gusto nyo ng daily devotion routine ko. Ayan, tapos ililigpit ko lang, tapos I'll pray some more. Yan, magdadasal pa, tapos i-end ko yung prayer ko, tapos yung mga lesson na natutunan ko for that scripture. Then, I will eat my breakfast. Yung kinakain ko dito is banana bread. Ako mismo gumawa niyan. Shucks, baker. Yan, nag-phone lang ako. Diyan na yung time na mag-scroll ako sa social media, sa YouTube. And then, I'll go ahead upstairs to pick up my gym bag and makapag-ayos. Tapos, ayan, nakababa na ako. Tapos, inaayos ko na lang ulit yung gym bag ko. Tapos, nasa gym na ako. Ayan. Tapos, mag-workout lang ako. Morning ang pinipili ko para hindi masyado mainit. Ayan. Then, yung araw na yan, nung nag-film ako, may pinabibili nanay ko. So, ayan, nasa grocery kami. Buti lang may kasama ko para mag-film sa akin, di ba? Ayan, after gym. Tapos yan, pagod na pagod si ate mo, girl. Aakyat siya papunta sa CR para maligo. Nakapagpahinga naman na yung body kasi medyo matagal din yung travel time. So, okay na rin yun. And then, ayan, that's it. Susuklay na lang and that's my summer morning routine. So that's it guys, that's my summer morning routine. If you want me to do other morning routines, just please let me know. And kung gusto niyo naman ng summer night routine, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't joined my giveaway, go ahead and join now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. Also, comment down below anything you like. If you have any questions for me, just leave it down below using the hashtag AskJazz. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Bye! Summer rain, something all night.